Daming flag ng canton dito.
Alors c'est les communes et celui de canton de Glaris c'est rouge avec le moine qui marche.
So guys, yung every canton may different flag
Ah
siya.
bah c'est ici, je crois Glaris, c'est là. Alors il faut que je trouve un parking, c'est là. Je peux me mettre là, quelque part, pour visiter. En fait on est arrivé. Heureusement que je vais me mettre à l'ombre.
C'est là?
Ouais, c'est ici.
So we are going to stop here, yes.
Et c'est gratuit dimanche.
So guys, welcome to the village of Glaris. We are here in this village and we will discover the place.
C'est la rue principale, ça.
And then, titignan natin kung anong maganda dito. Maganda yung ano nila dito ha, yung village nila. Ang daming flag. So we will discover their village and here we are walking around. And today is Sunday guys, not much people because it's Sunday and they don't have a work. And it's free parking today.
Oui, parce que c'est dimanche.
Every Sunday it's no payment for the parking.
C'est normal, c'est pas.
Super nice ng place na to. So meron tayo nakitang fountain dito. Yan. Guys, ang parang national ano na nila dito is animal dito is ano, goat.
Parce qu'ici ça c'est la vieille ville là.
Yan.
Voilà.
Attends. Je prends juste photo ici. Ito yung old village nila dito. Guys, tignan niyo yung bahay. Maganda siya. Daming flowers. So lakad tayo. Doon tayo pupunta. So i-discover natin yung place na to. Kasi sobrang ganda. Super nice ng place na to. Tapos makikita natin yung view dito ng mountain.
La banque cantonale de Glaris, tu vois.
Ah, c'est la seconde. So, ito yung view dito. At pwede tayo dito sa gitna kasi walang tao. Nice yung mga bahay. It's colorful and then there's a lot of flowers. So, meron silang fountain. Guys, tapos yung view is this one. Tingnan niyo gaano kaganda. Yan. Tapos dito din yung mga bahay. Tingnan niyo yung bahay. Very colorful at saka unique yung design ng bahay. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Glaris. This place is a very beautiful and it's a small village called Glaris. It's a part of Switzerland and it's in the German side. And it's so beautiful. There's a lot of mountain and every corner of the area is a mountain. And you can see everywhere. It's all mountain. So we are going to get closer to this house and you can see the mountain. It's so beautiful. Yeah, no, this is not a house. It's a restaurant. Super nice. And then doon. Every corner is a mountain, everywhere. So guys, we are here in the famous place where there's where there's a story about behind these buildings and behind this place. Yes, that's so beautiful. Ito siya, sikat na place to siya dito. Parang may meeting sila dito, may parang pag-aaklas, tapos dito ginanap yung ano nila, yung revolution something. Yan. Super nice. Tapos yung background is mountain. Kahit sa corner guys, mountain. Sa lahat ng corner is mountain. Ayan. So dito din mountain. Mga bahay nila maganda talaga dito. Yan. Can you please explain again, Sherry? This place.
Explain here. Look, I will show you.
No, I'm filming.
Yeah, that's the place where the people they gather.
This is
for
the place.
Direct democracy for voting.
Okay, this is the place where people are gathering together and vote for
Yes, it's
democracy. Direct democracy. And it was held here in this place, in this area.
Still hold it now.
and until now they are also doing it here. And it's a very
It's traditional.
traditional way to vote something that they wanted to do or in their government here.
But only for small people with not too many. If it's very crowded, you cannot do that.
Yes, and this one is very historical because it is it's the people who is voting here. They don't vote like normal vote like we used to, because here it's just gathering, and then they will raise their hand and they will count the vote through this type of voting. It's like an old type of voting. Hello guys, welcome to Blaris, and this is a very famous place, and then people are gathering here to do the voting, and they have the voting of democracy voting. They're voting here through their hands. They're not voting through writings. They gather here and to vote something, and they will just raise their hand and to clarify what they want. And this place is a very sacred because it was a traditional way to vote for their democracy. And this place is also beautiful, and it's the last region or canton of Switzerland, and it's very beautiful. For the last time, I will film again, and we have the history of this place. It is a very, very famous place where all the people are gathering here, as I've said, and they did their vote here. And their system of voting is very nice and up to date. They are also practicing it. They are not using the counting vote like the machine. They are counting it through people participating to come here in this area. And this area is a historical. It exists since a long time ago. They are voting like this type of voting. Then this is like a mayor's house. And it's very amazing, guys. It's beautiful. We are lucky to visit this canton, and it's called Glaris, the historical place of Glaris, this one. Where everything that they decide, they're going here to vote, and the mayor and other council or the officials of this village, they will come together, and all the people, and they're voting for something that they want, which is nice. The people have the right to say no, even the officials say yes or against them, and they have this vote, second vote for everything that they discuss. It's very interesting to have like this type of government. Yeah guys, that's all. I'm just explaining because it's a very historical place, this place. It's so beautiful. So guys, look, the view here, it's beautiful also.
Pour moi, c'est comme les maisons ouvrières.
The house is very cute. It's different type of house. It's like an old or ancient type of house. So guys, you can see their houses here. It's too small. And it's very cute. Oh, cute painting. It's a dog.
Yeah. On va où là? Où là?
Attends. And then the view here, it's also nice. Guys, you continue exploring Glaris. And here is a private house, and everywhere is a mountain. Here also, the houses here is like this. And the view here is the mountain. So guys, here... No, here is nicer. Guys, the houses here is like this. This is a small one. But they have a nice view. They are surrounded by mountain. And the view here is this mountain. Okay, you can see. Here. You can see the view of the mountain here. It's like this. See? It's nice. Small window. It's a weird houses here. So you can see the mountain and the view of there. The houses here and the view is the mountain. And then here also. The houses of people here is like this. Ganyan yung mga houses nila dito. This one is their train station. It's just near the mountain. Their train station is here. Guys, this is their train station, the Glaris train station. It's just very small. You can go and see. The train station of Glaris, and the view of the mountain is also visible here. This is the train station, and the train is going to Rapperswil. We will just take a picture of this train. Now, because it's 11:44, it will go. We will see. So guys, you see the beautiful view of the city of Glaris.
Elle est là, la gare. Elle est petite.
And then the view here is also beautiful. The park. So guys, this is the mountain here, and you can see, and beside this mountain is a big park, and then this is the train station of Glaris. Guys, kakain tayo dito, and it's just in front of the train station, and this is the train station, the gare, they call it the gare. Okay. Restaurant that we are going to eat here, and I have already chosen my menu. Menu number 2. It's soup, and then the goat meat and salad. And this is the restaurant. It's like a house. Then there. Menu na kinuha natin. Menu number 2. It's a soup, salad, and then meat natin. Ayan, at saka may drinks tayo dito. Guys, this is our soup. It's a potato soup with bread. All the time when they're serving, they put the bread. This entry is a salad. This is our salad. So guys, this is the main menu.
C'est très coloré.
Right. Is the beef or is the meat of deer? Very colorful with rice. Guys, after we eat, and now we are going to the park, and this is their park. It's too small and it's beautiful. They have a beautiful fountain here. I'll get closer to that fountain and then you take a picture. And there's also a small restaurant here. Guys, super nice. Sa gitna is San Mountain. So beautiful fountain.
Et l'autre, c'était président du tribunal fédéral. Ils ont eu des gens.
So guys, this park is very nice. It's small and it's hidden. And there's a small fountain there. So beautiful. The background is the mountain here. So here, the corner of these buildings, and you can see the view here, is the mountain. So amazing, the view here. The background view is, it's very nice. So here we can see this mountain, and here also the mountain is there. The houses here is surrounded by the mountain. This one is so beautiful. We'll take a picture of this. So guys, we are walking in the middle of this street. So dito tayo sa gitna dadaan. Tapos yung view is the mountain. And then there's a lot of flags. Ang daming flags.
Les animaux, bien, je vais aller voir le magasin.
Bank Cantonal. in here in this side, and here also it's beautiful. Here we can walk in the street here. It's our car, this one, and then we're just filming here and then we go. It's the last minute of our staying here in Glacier. So before we go home, I will just take videos, small videos here, and then the view of the mountain and all the flags here. You can see in the middle of the street, then there. Okay, we are going back home.
25, non? Si c'est là. Ah, je suis obligé de tourner là, pour ça je ne peux pas.
So that's the guard, the train station, and now we are going back home.
Il m'empêche de tourner. Parce qu'il y a beaucoup de trafic.
So that's the train station, guys. We are passing in front of the train station.
Ah non, on va faire des tours ici.
So bye, Glacier.
Glacier.
No, c'est pas ça.
Glaris.
Glaris, the name is Glaris, sorry. Bye, Glaris, and this is our day. Time to go home. So beautiful, the small village of Glaris.
C'est le canton de Glaris.
Glaris.
La ville c'est Glarus, mais en français c'est toujours Glaris.
So beautiful, the view.
Avec une école là.
So we are done visiting this place.